Hi, my name is Todd Burchard, and I'm a prevention specialist with CASA-Trinity here at the Tioga location. I've been a prevention specialist with CASA-Trinity for going on about 4 years now. What I'm going to do today is go over some of the programs that we can train community members on, or school personnel, or it could be something that we go into the schools and teach ourselves. So the first program I'm going to talk about today is something called PAX Tools. So what is PAXis? So PAXis is actually the institute that created this program, and PAXis Institute develops solutions that improve the peace, productivity, health, and happiness of people around the world. PAXis Institute incorporates the power of science and prevention to develop simple, proven strategies that address the basis of many of society's multi-problems, which is in turn a little bit of human behavior. PAXis was developed by Dr. Dennis Embry. He's the founder and senior scientist of the PAXis Institute, and he uses cultural wisdom and anthropology to inform choices of scientific strategies to better the lives of children, adolescents, families, and groups. His projects focus on simple strategies that lead to big changes. So we're really going to just focus on one of his programs, which is called PAX Tools. PAX Tools is a collection of evidence-based trauma-informed strategies to improve cooperation and self-regulation with youth. PAX Tools draws on science to create strategies that support parents, youth workers, and other caring adults to create a nurturing environment that ultimately helps kids thrive. PAX Tools utilizes 9 kernels or strategies that help create a nurturing environment by reducing toxic influences, increasing psychological flexibility, limiting problematic behavior, and richly reinforcing pro-social behavior. So what are these 9 kernels, or the tools, or the strategies? So I'm not going to get into too much about what each of these kernels are. If you choose to do a training, obviously we get into that total aspect of each of these kernels. But just to kind of give you an example, these are the 9 kernels. So one of them is called a shared vision. So shared vision is really about setting expectations and making sure that kids have a voice in those expectations. Low emotional response is just that, providing feedback without that verbal or body language type of response that could be considered negative. Beat the timer, random sticks, mystery motivators, which are kind of like fun rewards, kudos notes, which are a way to, in a written form, praise positive behavior, PAX breaks, PAX amends, and PAX focus. And like I said, those will be gone into in more detail if you go through the training. As far as attendees will receive the materials they need to effectively use PAX Tools with children, including use of the PAX Tools app. So some of the examples are things that a person who attends the training that will get are here on the screen. So in the pouch is a participant workbook, vision charts, random sticks, some mystery motivator cards, PAX amend cards, kudos notes, and one of the other things that with a little bit added could be the harmonica. So if you want more information on PAX Tools, you can go to www.paxis.org and look at some, not only PAX Tools, but some of their other programs. They also have a program called PAX Tools for School at Home. And then another one that we work on with one of our local school districts is called the PAX Good Behavior Game, which is goes in a little bit more in depth with some of these same kernels, but it's done in a school setting.